Creating a successful business requires careful planning, dedication, and strategic execution. The first step is to identify a market need by researching the industry to find gaps or problems that your business can solve. Understanding your target audience is essential to tailor your product or service to their preferences and pain points. Once you have a solid idea, validate it through surveys, focus groups, or by launching a minimum viable product MVP. With a clear idea in mind, develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your mission, vision, goals, financial projections, marketing strategies, and operational plans. This roadmap will not only guide your decisions, but also attract investors. Managing your finances is critical. Determine your startup costs, secure funding through savings, loans, or investors, and create a budget to monitor income and expenses. Register your business. Choose an appropriate structure, for example, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and ensure compliance with local tax regulations and permits. Building a strong brand is another key step. Create a memorable name, logo, and tagline, and establish an online presence through a professional website and active social media channels. A compelling brand story and consistent communication will resonate with customers and build trust. Your marketing strategy should focus on the channels that best reach your target audience, whether that's social media, email campaigns, or content creation. Leverage data analytics to refine your approach and consider offering promotions or referral incentives to attract new customers. Providing exceptional customer service is vital for long-term success as it builds loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth referrals. Always seek feedback, address complaints promptly, and use insights to improve your offerings. As your business grows, focus on hiring a team that aligns with your values and provides high-quality service. Foster a positive work environment to retain talent and ensure consistency. Regularly monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, to assess progress, and stay flexible enough to adapt to changes in the market. Explore opportunities for expansion, whether through new offerings or reaching untapped markets. Success takes persistence and resilience, so be prepared to face challenges, learn from failures, and celebrate milestones. By maintaining focus on your long-term vision and continuously improving, you can build a thriving and sustainable business.